iOS 14 introduced widgets, a new app library, and a bunch of new privacy and security features. Some of the biggest changes, though, are all around messaging. In this Komando DIY, 3 new iPhone texting and messaging tricks you need to try. First, filter out unknown senders. Spam texts are annoying and distracting. You can now filter out text from unknown senders automatically. Here's how to set it up. Launch the Settings app and tap Messages. Scroll down to Message Filtering and then toggle on the Filter Unknown Senders option. Exit the Settings app and launch the Messages app. Tap Filters on the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 2 options under Messages: Known Senders and Unknown Senders. Tap the options to see the associated messages list. Next, search for the right emoji. You know your favorite emoji can easily get buried in a sea of recently used ones. With iOS 14, you can quickly search for the right emoji to express your frustration, joy, or any other emotion. In order to search while sending a text in the Messages app, switch to the Apple emoji keyboard by tapping the bottom left corner's smiley face or globe. Just above the emoji, tap Search Emoji. Enter your search terms to find the right emoji, tap one or more to use them. And finally, get notified when you're mentioned in a group chat. If you're in a group chat but you don't want to scroll through pages of messages, you can get alerts when you're mentioned in the conversation. You'll need to make sure the right settings are enabled first. Start by opening Settings and then tap Messages. Make sure the Notify Me switch is toggled on under Mentions. Then, if you mute a thread, you'll get alerts when tagged. For more iOS 14 tips and tricks, as well as answers to all your tech questions, head to komando.com.